Hi, I'm Phil from Stokes Heating. Today we're testing out the Monument Sweatbox. Cracking piece of kit. Got loads of storage in there for all your fittings, your cutters, burning gear, flux, whatever you need to carry. Built-in clamp, goes from 15mm, maybe smaller, up to 28mm. Perfectly holds the pipe, ready for your soldering. Holds that fit in there, get the job done rather than having to prop it up on the floor. Heat-proof rubber stops that heat transferring through to the box. Once you finish with your blowtorch, straight in, no more burning any of the carpets. It's got a built-in flux brush holder, and like I said, loads and loads of storage for everything you might need. Thank you, Tool Talk.